In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete a WooCommerce page from your WordPress site. Whether you're cleaning up unused pages or reorganizing your store, the process is quick and simple. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and heading to the Pages section in the left menu. Here you'll see all the pages on your website, including WooCommerce defaults like Shop, Cart, Checkout, and My Account. Find the page you want to remove, hover your mouse over it, and click Trash. This doesn't permanently delete it yet. It simply moves the page into WordPress's temporary trash area, just like a recycle bin. To fully remove the page, go to the Trash tab right above the list of pages. Once you're inside, locate the same WooCommerce page and click Delete Permanently. This final step removes it from your site for good. So make sure you no longer need the page before confirming. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a WooCommerce page, keeping your site clean, organized, and easy to manage.